just focus on like, okay, getting better, working hard, being a good person, doing the right things. That'll be something that girls growing up can really aspire to.
You play hard. You're a fierce competitor. Bottom line, you make us proud.
The most inspiring stories are the ones that bring us together. Minnesota's own Carol Levin.
All right, some great winter pictures coming out of McFarland, Wisconsin. Look at that. We got some geese on the lake in front of a frozen lake in the distance behind the trees. So the geese know what they're doing. They take the water rather than the ice. And also White Bear Lake, Minnesota. Well, talk about your frozen lakes. We've got a frozen White Bear Lake and a big layer of snowfall on top. And I'll tell you what, we could very well be adding to that snowfall very soon. Okay, welcome back here to Weather Nation. Meteorologist Matt Monroe with your Upper Midwest forecast. And this is what's coming here, snow to portions of the Upper Midwest. We've got a system coming out of the Rockies. Look at all this snow coming in between Denver, Sioux Falls, up through Minneapolis, eventually central and northern Wisconsin, right across the UP into northern Michigan. South of that, it's going to be pretty much a rain event with some slight exceptions, which we'll try to explain here in a second. Here are some potential snowfall totals. Minneapolis, 7 to 10 inches. Could actually see a little bit more than that. Cheyenne, Wyoming, 6 to 8. Denver, 4 to 8. Salt Lake City, 2 to 4. That's kind of where that storm starts getting going, out towards the Wasatch of Utah, eventually the Colorado Rockies, and then it spreads lots of snow right across the plains into the Upper Midwest. I mentioned a lot of this is going to see rainfall here. Basically, there's the warm front. South of that, it's all rainfall. North of that, you get the pink wintry mix, and then the blue is all snow. And as that system advances to the east, this is Monday, and we still have snow in Minneapolis, a little touch of snow in Omaha, and then to the east of that, the rainfall in Chicago on Monday, when it kind of passes on through, it'll change over into some snow in Chicago. And that's one of those little nuances here. Not everybody sees pure snow with this system from start to finish. Chicago, one of those towns. Detroit could very well be another with some rain transitioning over into snow. So let's break the forecast down. This is Saturday afternoon. No huge worries here. A couple of clouds, but everybody's dry. No rain, no snow to worry about overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning. Everything looks really quiet. Highs today, 41 Minneapolis, St. Paul, 40 in Green Bay, 42 Saginaw, a pair of 41s in Kalamazoo and Detroit. When you wake up Sunday morning, it's cold out. Obviously 28 degrees there in Minneapolis, 28 La Crosse, mid-20s Mason City, 30 Milwaukee, 33 out across Kalamazoo. Forecast continues on through Sunday, and Sunday for the most part looks pretty quiet. We might get a little rain here out across Chicago, Milwaukee. Watch out for this pink right there. That's the little wintry mix. A little bit of sleet, some snow, and potentially some freezing rain. Mason City, just south of La Crosse, in through southern Wisconsin. This is midnight, Sunday night to early on Monday morning. And then Monday, boy, things go downhill in a hurry. Milwaukee, Chicago, it's rain. Davenport, rain. Here comes a freezing mix east of Sioux City through Mason City, La Crosse. This is first thing Monday morning, and then north of that and west of that, it's all snow. Sunday high temperatures, 37 in the Twin Cities, 39 Milwaukee, 42 Kalamazoo, 39 out across Saginaw, and then early Monday morning for lows, upper 20s in Minneapolis, 34 La Crosse, 35 Milwaukee, and 33 out across Saginaw. Forecast continues here through Monday, and it's a mess here. We've got rain in Milwaukee, down through Chicago, Green Bay northward. This is all snow coming in here between Rhinelander and Minneapolis. Again, watch out for the pink. That's potentially freezing rain. La Crosse, Mason City yet again, just off to the southeast of Sioux City. Sioux City could be picking up as many as 19 inches of snow out of this system. That is a lot of snow right there. Now we're into Monday afternoon, Monday evening, more snow. Minneapolis, Rhinelander, Green Bay, Milwaukee, it's rain. Chicago, getting a break. They'll eventually get some snow. Monday high temperatures, 32 in Minneapolis, 36 in Green Bay, 41 Saginaw, and 44 out across Detroit. Now here's the forecast accumulation. This goes through Monday night at about 9 o'clock. So Milwaukee, Chicago, Davenport, some heavy rainfall here, and then where you see the pinks and the blues, that's all snow right there. Minneapolis, again, 6 to 12 inches of snow. Not quite as much Mason City, La Crosse, and Green Bay. Probably about half that. And again, right in here, Mason City, La Crosse, down just off to the east of Sioux City. That's really fair game for some freezing rain and a wintry mix. As far as winter weather alerts, these are going to ramp up quickly as we go through today and tomorrow. But right now, watches out for northwestern Wisconsin down through Minneapolis, all the way down through Sioux Falls. A good 6 to 12 inches of snowfall expected there. Minneapolis today is looking good, sunny 41. Most of tomorrow's looking good too until very late Sunday night. Get a little chillier, 37. Monday, here comes the snow, 6 to 12 inches, 32 degrees, and then back in the cold sunshine on Tuesday and Wednesday, low to mid 20s, back in the 30s on Thursday and Friday.
Now it's time for your local weather.
Well, good morning and welcome to your weekend. It is going to be an interesting weather weekend. We have some headlines to tell you and some forecast updates to inform you of. Of course, the big story is tomorrow in Philadelphia. And folks, it's going to be really warm. It typically is 40 in Philadelphia for a high this time of year. It's going to be nearly 50 tomorrow, so game time 45. There's just a slight possibility of a shower, and of course those winds will be light. So great weather for football tomorrow. When it comes to temperatures, we are very mild, and that is going to be an issue as this big storm system that is going to be coming out of the Rockies in the next 24 hours, being kicked by a big jet stream coming out of California, heading into the upper Midwest. And so the big weather changes for this system are the fact that it is going to come in later, and we do have higher confidence on where it is going to snow. So here you go. The timing of the storm is later than we anticipated yesterday. It's going to be late Sunday night through Monday. We have high confidence on that. When it comes to plowable accumulations here in the metro, the heaviest snow will fall to our south and east. So we have moderate confidence on that. When it comes to slow travel Monday, it doesn't matter. We have high confidence on that. The winter storm watch is blanketing the southern part of Minnesota and western Wisconsin, including the entire metro from Sunday night through Monday. And of course, that could be upgraded and will be upgraded to a warning in many areas. Here's the low this morning, coming out of the Rockies and heading toward the upper Midwest. Here's 1 o'clock tomorrow. You can see it really isn't here yet. And then it eventually does arrive. And then here we go, from a little bit of rain to snow. Look at this, rain and sleet across Wisconsin. And then there it is. It continues to fall. So when it's all said and done, we do expect that heavier snow will be to our south and east. And there could be, in the southeast portion of the state, up to a foot of snow. We expect 6 to 10 inches of snow here in the metro. Here's your forecast. Cooling down afterwards, lots of wind, difficult travel Monday.